Did you know that over 75% of car breakdowns are linked to poor maintenance? Most people assume cars just wear out around 150,000 miles, but that's far from the truth. Today, we're revealing 12 habits that'll make your car last over 300,000 miles without major repairs. We'll also bust a popular myth that's ruined hundreds of turbo engines. Stick around, because habit number 1 goes against what your owner's manual says, and it could save you from a $4,000 engine replacement. This is CarCulture-X. If you want your car to last forever, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Number 12. Avoid cold revving. Cold revving can ruin your engine fast. When cold, oil is thick and hasn't coated all parts yet. Revving forces metal parts to grind with little lubrication, wearing pistons, camshafts, and bearings. Instead, start your car and let it idle 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil. Then drive gently, keeping RPMs under 3,000 until the engine warms. Some cars show a blue light until the engine reaches operating temperature. Cold revving is especially harmful for turbo engines, destroying up to 90% of turbochargers over time. Patience at startup saves your engine. Number 11. Tire alignment every 15,000 miles. 35% of American drivers admit to delaying wheel alignment by at least a month. Many don't see the benefit or can't tell when it's due. Here's how you know when you need alignment. If your tires wear faster on inside or outside edges, alignment is off. If the car pulls to one side when driving straight, you need alignment. If your steering wheel sits crooked when driving straight, that's another clue. Ignoring alignment issues can shorten tire life by up to 30% and hurt fuel mileage by up to 10%. Alignment is done by professionals with special machines that measure and set correct angles. It costs $75 to $100, a small price for long-lasting tires and better fuel economy. Number 10. Replace PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. The PCV valve prevents harmful vapors from building up in your engine. When it clogs or sticks, it causes oil leaks, high oil use, and rough performance. Excess pressure can blow gaskets and seals, costing $1,000 plus, and a stuck-open valve can burn a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. Replacing it is easy and cheap, $10 to $20. Remove the old valve near the valve cover, insert the new one, and check hoses for cracks. A fresh PCV valve lowers oil consumption, reduces emissions, and keeps your engine running clean, preventing costly repairs. Number 9. Check and clean MAF sensor. Your MAF sensor measures how much air enters the engine so the computer can adjust fuel delivery. It's located along the intake tube right after the air filter box. Over time, dust and oil build up on the sensor's delicate hot wires, throw off readings, causing the engine to miscalculate the air-fuel mixture. Symptoms include hesitation during acceleration, rough idle, poor fuel economy, engine stalling, hard starting, and check engine light with codes P0100 to P0104. Before replacing an expensive MAF sensor at $200 to $400, try cleaning it first. Here's how. Locate the sensor along the intake tube. Disconnect the electrical connector carefully. Remove the sensor or housing. Using only MAF sensor cleaner, spray the sensing elements thoroughly. Never use brake cleaner, carb cleaner, or WD-40 as these damage the sensor. Allow it to air dry completely before reinstalling. Reassemble everything and clear any codes if present. This simple cleaning can save you hundreds of dollars. Number 8. Regular differential and transfer case service. The differential and transfer case move power from the engine to the wheels, helping your car turn and grip the road. Over time, the heavy-duty oil inside breaks down and gets dirty. For most rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles, change the differential fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Here's how. Locate the differential or transfer case under your vehicle. Place a drain pan underneath and remove the drain plug to let old fluid out. Remove the fill plug so fluid can flow out. Once drained, replace the drain plug securely. Use a pump to refill with manufacturer-recommended fluid until it starts to seep out of the fill hole. Replace and tighten the fill plug. Neglecting this service leads to expensive differential failures costing $1,500 to $3,000 to repair. Fresh fluid protects gears and ensures smooth power delivery to your wheels. Number 7. Brake fluid. Flush every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid is vital for safe driving. Over time, it absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point and causing hot brakes to create air bubbles. This makes the pedal feel soft and increases stopping distance, or can even lead to brake failure. A $22 tester quickly checks moisture. Over 3% means it's time to flush. A brake fluid flush costs $80 to $120 and keeps your brakes reliable, protecting you and your family. Before we continue, if you're finding these habits helpful, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Now let's keep going with habit number 6. Number 6. Replace fuel filter at recommended intervals. Dirt, rust, and microscopic junk are quietly choking your fuel filter. The more it clogs, the harder your fuel pump works until one day it gives up. A $40 filter swap saves you from a $500 to $1,000 fuel pump replacement. Most car makers recommend changing fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. For older cars, it's closer to 30,000 miles. Newer cars with in-tank filters can go longer, up to 100,000 miles. When changing the filter, relieve fuel pressure first by pulling the fuel pump fuse and running the engine until it dies. This stops fuel from spraying everywhere. Always work in a well-ventilated spot because gasoline fumes are extremely flammable. Regular fuel filter changes protect your expensive fuel pump and keep your engine running smoothly. This is cheap insurance against expensive repairs. Number 5. Keep spark plugs fresh. Worn spark plugs can lower fuel economy by up to 30%. Weak sparks waste gas and reduce power. Most cars need new plugs around every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, with iridium lasting longer than copper. Signs of failing plugs include rough idle, slow starts, weak acceleration, misfires, or engine shaking. Oil or coolant on plugs signals leaks that can get expensive. Replacing spark plugs costs around $20 to $100 and improves fuel efficiency, power, and prevents costly misfires. Number 4. Replace timing belt before failure. Most drivers forget their timing belt until it's too late. This small belt controls key engine parts, and if it breaks, pistons can hit valves, destroying the engine and costing thousands to fix. Timing belts usually need replacing every 60,000 to 100,000 miles or 7 to 10 years. Even with little driving, heat and age wear it down. They often fail without warning, though ticking sounds or oil leaks can appear. Replacing it on time costs $500 to $900 and prevents catastrophic damage. While replacing the belt, change the water pump too to save on labor later. Number 3. Ignore manufacturer oil change intervals. Long 10,000-mile oil changes sound convenient, but they can ruin your engine. Many manufacturers push longer intervals to make ownership look cheaper, but you pay the repair bills. Experts agree. 5,000 miles or every 6 months with full synthetic is safer, especially in traffic, towing, or hot, dusty areas. Following the manual blindly risks sludge, worn seals, or engine failure, a $4,000 repair avoided by proper oil changes. Manufacturer intervals are averages, not guarantees. Change oil every 5,000 miles, and your engine can easily reach 300,000 miles of reliable service. We're halfway through, and if these tips are already saving you money, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. Share this with anyone who wants their car to last forever. Now let's continue with habit number 2. Number 2. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Most drivers ignore their transmission until it starts slipping. By then, you're not fixing the problem. You're replacing the whole thing. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't get topped off or changed regularly. It's sealed in and quietly breaking down mile after mile. Here's the trap. It still looks fine. Cherry red, no smell. But after 60,000 miles, it's hiding a nasty secret. Microscopic clutch particles, metal shavings, and varnish grind away at your gears like liquid sandpaper. If you wait for symptoms, you've waited too long. That's why smart owners do a drain and fill every 60,000 miles or 6 years, whichever comes first. For hybrids, you can stretch it to 90,000 miles, but don't push it. Transmission repairs start at $3,000 and go up fast. Here's the exception. Never flush an old neglected transmission. You'll dislodge gunk that's holding it together. Always use OEM fluid. Use Toyota WS for Toyotas and Honda ATF DW1 for Hondas. Generic stuff saves pennies and costs transmissions. A drain and fill costs $150 to $250, but saves you from a $3,000 to $5,000 transmission replacement. Number 1. Regular inspections and maintenance log. The number one habit that makes cars last 300,000 miles is keeping a detailed maintenance log and performing regular inspections. Every service, every oil change, every repair should be documented. This log helps you track when services are due, identifies patterns of problems, and proves proper maintenance when selling the car. Additionally, perform monthly inspections. Check fluid levels including oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering, and windshield washer. Inspect tires for wear and proper pressure. Look under the car for leaks. Check lights and wipers. These simple monthly checks catch small problems before they become expensive repairs. A small coolant leak caught early costs $50 to fix. Ignored, it leads to overheating and a $2,000 head gasket replacement. Keep all receipts organized in a folder or use a maintenance tracking app. When you sell the car, complete records add $1,000 to $2,000 to resale value because buyers pay premium for documented maintenance history. This habit costs you nothing but saves thousands by preventing major failures and maintaining resale value. If this video showed you how to make your car last forever, hit that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X for more money-saving automotive advice. Drop a comment telling us which habit you're going to start doing today. Share this with friends and family who want their cars to last. Thanks for watching, and remember, your car can easily reach 300,000 miles if you follow these 12 simple habits. Drive smart out there.